disconnected.
Hey guys, welcome to Woodzman Adventures. Today I'm going to install my EsiCam EH05 up on top of the Wolf Pup. I want to make it to where when I'm driving down the highway I can see the video from the EH05 onto my iPhone, and then also I can leave it on there, and at the campground it'll monitor anybody messing around at the campground. I can turn it wherever I want. And what I'm going to do is I'm not going to permanent mount this thing because I might want to use it somewhere else, do something else with it. So for now, to use it, I'm using the suction cup. It's flat surface. So I got the suction cup mount. You can buy the accessory kit that comes with this wires. I'll put a link below. And also the accessory kit that comes with that suction cup and all other kinds of mounts for the EsiCam. But I'm going to use the suction cup to mount it on there, put it behind my vent, and then that will help block the wind off the camera. So it should stay up there pretty good. It sticks down real good. So this cable should be long enough, I hope, to run up there and connect to the truck. And then on this end here, you see this end here will go onto the camera. This end here will be USB, and then I have an adapter that comes with this kit, and it'll have a USB connection to plug this into. So I'll go ahead and hook this cable up and run it down so I can run it under the camper and then up the frame rail. Okay, you can see here I got the camera up there. I kind of aimed it down. I'll have to play with the angle and see if I like it, but that looks pretty good. And I got to run down the cable. I went ahead and put them in some little clips that I got there, just stick on and they hold the cable in place just so it's not flapping everywhere, and run on down. And then I got another one actually just like it right here. Had to hold the cable from just flopping around all over the back here in the wind. So got it mounted up there, should be ready to go. Now I'll just go inside and connect it in there. So this is where I actually ended up hooking up the wires. I hooked it directly to the fuse panel in the travel trailer or RV, you can. And what I done was I run the wire down the back of the camper, run it underneath, and there's a place where some wires already come in right up into the bottom of the camper, and then perfect spot right here. You could run it in the same loom. It came right into the fuse panel. I got it hooked up, and I also put the USB, as you can see. I wanted it where I could unplug it, so I can unplug the USB right there. And this, of course, this bottom part here, right here, is the USB adapter that comes with the kit, and this is the part that plugs into goes to the camera. But that way, my cable was long enough. Everything worked good. I got it hooked up and works good. I took the positive and negative off that, the red and the black that I showed you on the little wiring kit, and I connected it to the positive and negative lug right down inside here. There's a positive and negative lug right back in there. You just can't see them. So I got my positive and negative running the bottom of that and connected. I can just tuck that wire right in behind there out of the way, shut the door, it'll be all nice and clean. But right after this, I'll show you the video of it going down the road. I made a video, and it actually turned out pretty good. There's a little bit of lag because it's only 30 frames per second, but it's still plenty good. It works great for backing up. I backed up at the first part of the video. And if you're backing into a campsite, it's really going to be handy. But the nice part about me hooking it into this, instead of the tail lights, you could hook it to your tail lights or your marker lights back there. But in order for the camera to work, you would have to have your tail lights or marker lights on. And I didn't want that. I wanted it where it's connected to power all the time, so I can use this thing as a security camera also while I'm at the RV parks. So this way it'll be powered all the time. I can use it here at home. I can use it at the RV parks, wherever I'm at, for a security camera also. So watch the video here at the end showing going up the road. And thank you all for watching Woodzman Adventures. I'll put a link to EsiCam below, where you can check them out on Amazon. And thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next video.